Hi, everybody. This is Neil with Jeremy's Air Conditioning and Heating in Houston. Just want to get it out there, get the word out there. $89 a month. You can afford a brand new air conditioner. It's not that expensive. You got a coil, furnace, condenser, furnace fan, slab, complete work. You got all the old ductwork we're taking out, all for $89 a month. This unit will sell itself in just a few short years. And then on top of that, you got a very, very happy, comfortable customer, of course, especially with this Houston climate we have down here. So get ready for